Red and near-infrared light cupping therapy is a premium sports performance and rehab therapy that is ideal for arthritis, bursitis, and fibromyalgia pain management, inflammation and swelling reduction, general pain relief, lymphatic system detox, scar tissue breakup, sleep enhancement and stress relief, toxin excretion, and so much more. Your neck and shoulder pain don't stand a chance against this therapy either. Our client Pete felt complete relief from his chronic back pain after just one session. He loves it, and you will too. Ask an athletic recovery specialist for more information about how to renew, recover, and rebuild your body with red and near-infrared light cupping therapy today.